Lights, camera.
Action. Hey.
I love you.
There's just a whole bunch of them now, so I don't know.
You. I love you.
First
Oh, why did I just do this? Wow.
It's a word.
Boo. It is.
Jump.
Ew.
Here, you get a booger. Let me get it.
I hate looking at the ones where you have to compare ladybugs with hamburgers. And it's like, what do they have in common? But I got that one really easily. It was hamburgers. There was like 2 ladybugs and 2 hamburgers. And there's 4. So I don't know what the other ones are, but they're all. Have you noticed that the camera on
Keep it
here
careful.
is better than the camera